You want me to, take this pizza upstairs, sort of remove the temptation?
What do you think, I'm a child or something? I got a salad. Not a bad one either. Everything on here is good for you. Carrots for your eyes, beets for your blood, lettuce for your teeth. Everything's good for something on this plate.
Oh, little pizza ain't good for nothing.
Will you stop waving it around so much?
I thought you said it didn't bother you.
It doesn't bother me. Just go ahead and eat it. Just don't enjoy it so much. Anyways, devotion 34. As the family continued their period of worship in Shiloh, Hannah continued to experience anguish of soul. Fortunately, she was a wise enough woman to know exactly where to take her sorrows and hurts. 1 Samuel 1:10. She was in bitterness of soul, and prayed unto the Lord, and wept sore. She vowed a vow, and said, O Lord of hosts, thou wilt indeed look on the affliction of thine handmaid, and remember me, and not forget thine handmaid, but will give unto thine handmaid a man-child. Then I will give him unto the Lord all the days of his life, and there shall no razor come upon his head. Like a great many people, Hannah went to the Lord in prayer, and did so in bargaining mode. She wanted something from the Lord, and was willing to give something to the Lord. But the great difference between Hannah and people today in the bargains that they usually make with the Lord is that her bargain had nothing at all to do with salvation or service. Most vows that people make before the Lord today are something along the lines of, if you heal from disease or rescue from trouble, then I will believe in you and or obey you. But this was not the bargain Hannah made. She already believed in the Lord. She already served him. Her bargain was simply, if you bless me with what I ask, I will turn right around and give that blessing back to you. That is the right kind of bargain when it is with God, with whom you are bargaining. Do ask God for what you desire, but do not ever make salvation or service a bargaining chip. Salvation is the free gift of God purchased with his blood, and service to the God who saved us is the least we can do, whether he ever gives us a single blessing beyond salvation or not.
That's a good lesson, Ralph. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Salvation is a free gift. We owe him our service. Folks, have a blessed day.